Welcome to part 2 of the Alert Manager Enterprise Ticketing Integration tutorial. In part 1, the Jira connection was configured. Part 2 covers linking the Jira integration to AME templates, demonstrating ticket creation and updates with real events. We also walk through manual ticket creation and synchronization details. Let's start. Navigate to Tenant Settings. Select the tenant and open the Templates tab. Select an existing template or create a new one. This example uses a template named Ops General Auto Resolve that triggers on critical CPU, memory, or disk events. In the template configuration, locate the Ticketing Integration section. From the Ticketing Integration drop-down, select the Jira production connection created in Part 1, save the settings. From now on, all new events matching this template will be automatically synchronized with Jira. If you want to synchronize tickets only based on specific conditions, use the rule engine. Let's add a rule that synchronizes only events with critical or high priority. Give the rule a name, for example, escalation. Then add an event rule. Select priority name from the drop-down, use in as the operator, and enter critical and high as the values. Next, press Add Ticketing Integration Start and select the Jira integration. Save the rule. The rule is applied to all new events. What if you want to manually send an event to Jira? This can be done directly from the event. Head over to the Event Overview. Open the three-dot menu and select Start Ticketing Integration. A modal opens. Select the Jira Production Ticketing Integration and enter a comment. Hit the Start Ticketing Integration button. The event will then be sent to a queue, which will be processed every 60 seconds. To see the drill down link, we have to reload the summary quickly. Now open the event. You can see that the event now has a remote ticket pointing to Jira. Clicking on it brings you directly to the Jira work item. We can see the title and description set correctly, as is the description. Let's go back to the event. Select the Ticketing Integration tab. Here you can see two actions from our integration. One action creates the event in Jira. Let's try out the bi-directional sync. We're going back to Jira. Let's update the status to In Progress. Now go back to the event details. As mentioned earlier, the synchronization runs asynchronously and takes up to a minute to update the event in AME. Refresh the summary manually. Here we go. You can see that the status is now in progress. To see what's happening behind the scenes, open the event and head over to the Ticketing Integration tab. The table shows how the Jira work item was created and what other inbound and outbound updates were made. Clicking on the Field Values link shows the actual values that have changed. Last but not least, you can also check the audit records under History to view the changes and comments made by the integration. This completes the demonstration. We've covered linking the Jira integration to templates, automatic synchronization using templates and rules, manual ticket creation directly from events, bi-directional status updates, viewing integration details in the Ticketing Integration and History tabs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more details, advanced configurations, or other integrations, refer to the documentation. See you in the next video.